Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a barcode in TallyPrime using the easy method. Barcodes are useful for identifying products quickly and accurately. They help speed up billing, inventory management, and product tracking, making business operations much more efficient. So let's get started. First, open TallyPrime on your computer. Once you're on the gateway of Tally, click on Barcode Print. Before creating a barcode, you need to have at least one stock item already created in TallyPrime. For this example, I have already created an item named Tally Barcode, so I'll select that item. Now enter the count, which is the number of barcode labels you want to print. After entering the quantity, click on Preview. Next, select your printer and choose the appropriate paper size according to your barcode label sheet. Once everything is set, click on Preview again. You can now see the barcode labels on your screen. If everything looks correct, you can print them directly using your printer. You can repeat the same process for any other stock item in your inventory. Printing barcodes helps you organize your products more efficiently and makes billing much faster, especially if you're using a barcode scanner. Before printing a large number of labels, it's always a good idea to check the preview first to make sure the barcode size and layout are correct for your label paper. And that's it. This is how you can create barcodes in TallyPrime using the easy method. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.